Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to talk with you all as I apply my artificial nails. And if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll, you know my obsession with doing my own nails. I have been saving hundreds, probably thousands of dollars over the last probably 2 to 3 years by doing my nails myself. And in today's video, I will be using the Kiss Bring Home the Salon Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Mani collection, which is these right here. Super excited. And I also started doing my nails a lot differently because I've really gotten so used to doing them that I now switch them up 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so I don't have the time to have them secured with the, hold on just a second, I know you're like, where is she going? Hold on just a second. So I don't have the time to be gluing them down like how I used to. The only way in time I really use this glue is if I really like whatever nail set that I'm applying, and then if I really do intend on having it last a long time. Because when I use this nail glue, this will last me, the nails will last me with this nail glue about maybe 8, if I push 10 days. But then after that, I'm going to get tired of whatever nail design I have. So anyway, I've come across using the self-adhesive tabs. Now with this set in particular, it comes with its own nail glue, but sometimes these sets also come with adhesive tabs. And if you're wondering what the adhesive tabs are, they look like this right here. These are the adhesive tabs, and each tab has some nail glue already on it, and these are for temporary, okay? Temporary. These will not last you as long as it would if you was to apply the actual nail glue. So if you are a glam doll that's like me, who honestly really enjoys swapping out your nail designs on a regular basis, and you don't want to commit to a full nail set, then you can use these tabs right here. Or if you want to commit a lot longer to a particular nail set, then you can go ahead and use the glue. So that's what this video is going to be about. And also I will be talking about other things as I'm applying my nails. So I'm going to take some of the tabs off, peel it off like that, and I'm just going to pre-apply them onto my nail, you know, just to let it sit for just a moment. And while I'm doing this, I also want to talk with you about a few things which I have listed right here. First thing up, okay, let's talk about my cosmetic line that I'm launching very shortly. If you're an official Glam Doll, you should know what I'm talking about, and that will be the Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics, which is that right there. I'm launching a cosmetic line, and let me tell you all, that is a stressful process. When you decide to go into business for yourself, you definitely do work way more longer hours than you would if you was working for someone else. But that's not new to any of you. I'm quite sure many of you have heard others say that before. When you're working for yourself, you work longer hours than you would if you honestly is working for someone else. With that being said, yeah, so I'm launching my cosmetic line, and it's a daunting process. I have shared a few videos of me sampling out my products. I finally got my palette back, a sample of the palette. The reason why I'm calling it a sample, because the packaging may end up changing. Yeah, I'm going to end up changing the packaging because I'm not 110% on board with how the particular packaging is as of now. I do want to switch that up and change it. Yeah. So see how I'm applying the adhesive tabs, dolls? It's just real simple and easy to do. All you're doing is peel it off and just apply it onto my nail as such. So I have all 10 fingers on, and now it's time to start applying the nails. Now what I love best about these adhesive tabs is, I hope you can get it, right on the edge it has a little pull thing where I can pull it off. So I'm going to go like this, pull off the plastic. I just dropped it. Take the first nail, and apply it as such. Press, hold, count to maybe 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have my first nail on. So excited. So anyway, as I was saying, I will be sharing the recovery of that. Also, ding, 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 ding. It was just my birthday. Yes. My birthday was April 30th. Super, super, super thankful and grateful to all the official glam dolls who did remember and recognize that it was my birthday, because I honestly didn't even post anything on social media about coming soon, or you know, things that some people typically do when their birthday is coming. I said nothing because this year I wanted to be really, really low key. But so many of you did remember, and that blew my mind. I didn't think there's many of you that did remember, but you did. So see, it's coming together. So excited. And with my whole birthday thing coming, I realized that it's all about change. It's all about growth. Okay, so when it comes to you evolving into the type of person that you're destined to become or be, just don't get yourself caught up in the realms of someone going, oh, you change, oh, you acting different. No, it's called growth. You know, no one can expect you to be the same person you was a year ago, 6 months ago, or you know, 5 days ago for that matter. Growth happens. It's coming together. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been doing this a lot lately with my artificial nails, being by I switch my nails up 2 to 3 times a week. I no longer really wanted to commit using the nail glue. So one hand is done. This is one hand and this is the other. See the difference? Do you see the difference? Oh Lord. So anyhow, I've really grown to using the adhesive tabs that either come along with the nails, or I bought some extra ones right off of Amazon, which like I said, I will link down in the description box below, so you get a chance to get these adhesive tabs yourself. And as I was saying about the tabs earlier, is that when you buy these tabs, these are temporary, okay? These are not for long-term nail wear. These are for like exactly what I'm about to go do now. I'm going to meet my female friends for brunch. I'm rocking, you know, the green ensemble, and I kind of wanted my nails to complement the look that I'm going for. So hence why I'm putting on these green nails right here to complement the look. Like that. To complement the look, and this is going to be perfect. These will last you all day, okay, and they're very easy to remove. To remove these tabs, all you have to do is immerse your hands in warm water and gently lift the nail off while it's in the water. Don't do it with your hand not being in warm water, okay? Immerse, meaning put your hand in the water, soak your hand for maybe count to 60, that's 1 minute, and then you can start loosening the tab. Now if you happen to have these on and you need to wash your hands or something, you'll be fine. But if you want to take it off, that's how, at least how I remove my nails. And that is it. These are my nails, doll. I am so excited with how they came out. I mean, look at that. Let me get the box for you all. This is how it looks. Are these not gorgeous? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. These are my nails. So dolls, that just concluded the video because I really need to get out of here. I want to quickly stop in and just share with you how I've been applying my nails lately. And I've been using the LIARTY self-adhesive nail tabs. Like I said, I will be sure to link this down in the description box below. You're going to get 50 sheets. You're going to get 50 of these sheets, okay? 50, and they can be used for up to 1,200 nails. All right, it lasts for 1 to 2 days. They're easy to remove, and you can easily reuse your nails once you take them off, because that's another thing I wanted to do. If I'm supposed to be saving my money by not going to the nail salon, I didn't want to use the nails and then just throw them away. So when I do take them off, all I have to do is take the adhesive tab glue off the actual nail once I finish using it, and bow, the nails is ready to be used again with another set of adhesive tab. So seriously, dolls, this just concluded the video, because I got to get out of here and meet my female friends. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned for the updates on everything else that I mentioned, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.